Welcome to the Sweet Sense videos. Today I will be showing you how I create the mini birthday cupcake wax melts. There are two different wax melts. One is a vanilla cupcake, the other is a chocolate cupcake wax melt. The vanilla cupcakes have sprinkles incorporated into the wax melt before it was set up. The chocolate cupcakes have mica added to the wax melts to add a little bit of shimmer when melted. After the wax melts have set up, I piped whipped wax to the top of the melts to resemble frosting and added candy sprinkles to the top of each. Thank you for watching our video, and please do not forget to check out our website at www.sweetscentshop.com. Have a great day.